What up, YouTube? You were tuned in to two-time Moto TV. Coming to you with an update for the 2004 custom Crown Victoria on 28s. Just ordered a 5-inch lift kit. That'll be here in about another 2 weeks. That's when I'm gonna get it put on also, in about 2 weeks. And this is what the lift kit right here looks like. It's from liftthebrand.com. It's about $1,300. It's not too bad because it comes with everything. It comes with upper control arms, upper and lower trailing arms, 5-inch lift cups, and air shocks. It comes with a complete kit. It's all custom for Crown Vic lifts. You can put it on a Lincoln Town car, Crown Victoria, or Grand Marquis. Basically all got the same suspension. So stay tuned, let me show you what I got. Alright guys, and in this kit, the front includes a upper control arm, which is here, and a 5-inch lift cup spacer. Currently I have a 3-inch lift cup spacer. This is how much fender wall gap I have. It's really tucking, so if I do carry passengers or anybody, you know, the front of the car likes to come down a little bit, and I really don't have as much space as if nobody's in it. But it comes with a custom-made upper control arm that's longer, and it will allow this coilover to not be stressed, because right now this is kind of pulling tight because it's the stock upper control arm, but the custom one is a lot longer, and it comes with bushings and a ball joint. So that's what will be needed for the front. The front will be done perfect. Should ride like factory. And for the back comes with a 5-inch lift cup spacer that sits up underneath the spring. Currently I have a 3-inch in the back. It also comes with a upper and lower trailing arm. So these two here, that's the upper, that's the lower trailing arm. Comes with adjustable upper and lower trailing arms that allow the rear axle to stay in place. It controls the movement up and down, back and forth. So it'll cushion the ride a lot better than what everything factory is on. See, I can tell that these here are kind of under stress, and usually these will sit up in here a lot more, sit up a lot higher with factory wheels on it. So now it's pushed down due to the big rims on it. And the kit also comes with a air shock that's longer than the F-150 air shocks that I currently have on here now. That observe a lot of impact, hitting potholes or going over bumps. And if I do carry a couple passengers, it'll still allow me to have clearance on my back area here. So right now she's sitting at about 3 inches. So with the kit, it should boost it up about 4.5, so the car probably sit about right there. I'm gonna definitely put bigger tires on here. I currently have a 25 series tire. I'm gonna probably go either with a 30 or a 35 series tire. Put a little bit more meat on the bones. Fill a little bit more of that fender wall space up. I'm gonna do the same for the front. The front currently has about 2 inches of fender wall gap. So that should boost it up to about 3.5 right there where my thumb is sitting at. Give me a better turning radius too. If I do put passengers in here, it won't go down but so much. I still have a lot of fender wall gap to work with. But yeah, 30 or 35 series tires coming soon with the kit also. She's not sitting bad right now, I must say, but like I said, I do want to put a bigger tire up there. The ride is pretty good for how it is now, but I know it could get better. I want to do everything right. If I want to make this a project, everything is going to be done right. But yeah, this is two-time Moto TV. And I'll be back with future updates. You guys stay tuned. A lot of plans for this car this year, guys, so stay tuned. See what I got in store. Two-time Moto TV out.